solar system, it comes with some components. One is PVCs. Okay. Two, I said inverters. Three, charge controllers. Four, batteries. All right. Those are the components that make up a solar system. And when we talk about a solar system, to explain how this thing works, when we talk about solar system, we are talking about a system that harnesses the energy from the sun. Understand? Harnesses it, traps the energy from the sun. It's a system. It's not just one component. It's a system that first of all traps energy from the sun and then transfers that energy somewhere where it could be stored for a future use, or convert that energy immediately to for immediate use. It does two things. Either it stores it, and how it stores it is that it moves it to the battery to charge the batteries, or it can still move it directly from the inverters to the homes where it could be used. It can still do the same at the same time. Both. It can still do both at the same time. So that is what solar system entails.